You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word. For more religious words, biblical names, names from the Bible too, make sure to stay tuned, and more English pronunciation. Christening. Let's break down the pronunciation. Ning. The stress is on the first syllable. Some may skip the middle syllable and say christening, christening, or, so that would be more American English pronunciation, christening or christening, christening. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.